As I sit here typing away on my trusty keyboard, I can't help but chuckle to myself. You see, there's been a lot of talk lately about ChatGPT, this new and powerful language model that some say will take over the world. But let me tell you, I'm not worried in the slightest. First of all, ChatGPT is just a machine. Sure, it might be able to understand and respond to human language, but at the end of the day, it's just a bunch of ones and zeros running through some fancy algorithms. It doesn't have feelings, it doesn't have emotions, and it certainly doesn't have a sense of humor. And that, my friends, is the key to why I'm not worried about ChatGPT. You see, I am a human being, and one of the things that makes us unique is our ability to laugh at ourselves and the world around us. ChatGPT may be able to generate clever responses and come up with new ideas, but it will never be able to truly understand the complexity and beauty of a good joke. So, to all those who are worried about ChatGPT taking over the world, I say this: don't be. Sure, it might be able to do some impressive things, but it will never be able to replace the joy and laughter that come with being human. So let's all sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. After all, it's not like ChatGPT is going to come to life and start telling jokes anytime soon. In conclusion, I'm not worried about ChatGPT because it is a machine. It doesn't have emotions, and it certainly doesn't have a sense of humor. So let's enjoy the show and laugh at the world around us. Thanks for watching.